This News with Megan
and Josh.
we're going to tell you more about volcanoes.
Roughly 1,500 volcanoes have erupted in the last 10,000 years. That's a lot of volcanoes, but in a tiny time.
Most volcanoes on land are in Indonesia. Most volcanoes on Earth are in the ocean.
The biggest volcano on Earth is actually in Hawaii. It's called Mauna Loa. Thanks for watching News.